If you like being outdoors and eating, I'm going to show you my favorite picnic basket. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know, this summer, this fall, you're going to be heading out for a picnic and you're going to need to take your picnic stuff with you. So you're going to want a picnic basket. This is from ALLCAMP, and I picked this up because I want to hit the great outdoors, and yet I don't want to leave without my supplies, i.e. I don't want to starve to death, i.e. I get hungry really quickly, i.e. I have a big appetite. So I thought I would pick up this little picnic basket because it allowed me to carry everything that I need in a stylish format. So here it is. As you can see, it is very small. It's kind of like the size of a personal pizza box, and it's actually fairly light, and that's because we have aluminum hardware right here. And then you can see this one is in gray, and it's got kind of like this gray canvas like material. It's actually more of like that knit material that day packs are made out of. So I'm just going to go ahead and expand this out by pulling on this side. I'm going to go ahead and swivel up the handle here, and then I'm going to pull out this side. So you can see here, now it opens up. Now the whole thing will kind of collapse under its own weight. You can see that we have a fabric bottom there, but inside we have this folding bottom piece. So what I can do here is unfold it like this, and now this is rigid, and that actually feels like some sort of hard plastic in there. So you open that up, go ahead, throw it on the bottom, and that's going to help it keep its shape. And what you can see here is, again, aluminum hardware going down the side, and then up at the top here we have a foam handle, so it should be nice and comfortable to grab, even if you're going to carry it for long distances, as well as in the heat of the sun. This might heat up, but you're not going to feel that through the foam handle there. And what you might be able to see here is this thing is pretty cavernous. I also like the fact that this kind of folds down to this side. It won't fold to the other side, but folds down this side, so it makes getting things in and out very easy. I would say it's almost a foot tall here, so this is probably about 11 inches to my eye and maybe 20 inches long, and again, maybe 11 inches deep, so it holds quite a bit. Now, to prove that, what I want to do here is go ahead and put together my perfect picnic basket. Beef jerky, yeah, that's going in there, and then also a half-drunk bottle of Old Rip Van Winkle, so that'll go in there. And yeah, now I've got my perfect picnic right there. So if you like going on a picnic and you want to carry everything with you, you want to do it in style, then you just might want the ALLCAMP picnic basket right here. I'll put a link to this little bad boy in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than